This video will demonstrate resetting a temporary password when logging into Syndeo, the x2go server for the ECE Teaching Lab Linux platform. Hello, we're going to make a video, and in this video we're going to run the x2go client on a Windows 11 machine. There was a previous video showing how to install the x2go client. You'll want to refer to that for installing it. And we're going to simulate what it would be like the very first time you log into the machine Syndeo. When you log in, you'll be forced to change the temporary password you were sent when your ID was established. The other time that you'll have to change your password, similar to what you're going to see in this video, is if you have your password reset by the system administrator. And when you log in the first time after having a password reset, you'll have to go through this process of resetting your password upon login. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and click on the x2go client here. And again, this has been set up to simulate the first time that you log in to the Syndeo machine. So for the session, this is just text that goes with the session that you're going to create and be able to reuse. So the machine is syndeo.ece.lehigh.edu. I'm going in with an ID of ECE demo. And so this is, again, this is just text that's going to go next to the session icon you create. The machine, it will be syndeo.ece.lehigh.edu. The ID is ECE demo. And again, a very important thing you need to do is you need to, down here for session type, come down and click XFCE. I'm going to have to scrunch just a little bit because one or two of the buttons I can't see because I have low definition graphics. So I'm going to click the OK button to create that session. And now you can see the session was created on the right hand side. If you have other sessions that you create with other x2go servers, or maybe you want to do it with a different ID and create a new session, they'll appear on this column here on the right hand side. Now to connect, I'm going to click on the black text that says syndeo.ece.lehigh.edu, and I'm going to type in the password. Now this ECE demo, this is the ID I'm logging in with. This ID would be, undoubtedly it's going to be your Lehigh user ID, not ECE demo. And one other quick note is all of these servers on the ECE Teaching Lab Linux platform are behind the Lehigh firewall, so you need to connect in with, if you're connecting in from home or off the Lehigh network, you need to connect in with the Cisco Secure AnyConnect VPN. Okay, back to what we were working on. ECE demo, and I'm going to type in the password, a temporary password that I would have gotten if I was getting a new ID or a reset ID. And so it comes up and it says password expired. It says change password now, and it says current password. I'm going to again type in the password that I was sent. This is not the new password here. This is the password that you got sent with your new ID or your reset password. So I'm going to hit enter. Now it's asking for the new password. So I typed in a new password. Now it wants me to retype it to make sure that I'm typing in what I think I'm typing. Okay. So now it's starting up. We'll give it a second here. Okay, and here you can see it starting up. It can take a second or two to connect, but once it's connected, your response time will be really good. Okay, now it's connected. And it's really all I wanted to show you here is connecting and doing the resetting of the password. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect, so I'll come up here and click on, in the right hand side, I'll click on my user ID, and then I'll click log out, and then it gives me a dialog. I'll click on the log out button, and now I've logged out. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and thank you for listening.